Hello, so today I'm going to show you my best hack on how to cover a polystyrene cake dummy. You will need a cling flame, a pair of scissors, and the actual styrofoam you'll be covering. So for this, I'm going to be covering the side of the styrofoam and the top, before the top and the bottom. So now I'm going to pull out the sheet, pulling out the cling film now, so that I can wrap it around this polystyrene cake dummy. Okay, so now I'm placing it around and I'm going to wrap this all around the dummy. Now you don't want to pull so much around because you don't want to like waste your cling flame. All you need is just a little piece around. Oh, it's too much. I'm just going to reduce that now. Yeah, reduce it. So now I'm not going to use my scissors and I'm going to cut off. I think it's okay because the cling film is wrapped properly, as you can see. So I'm now going to stretch it out. So can you see now the top part and the bottom part? Yeah, I'm going to cut it off. I would not advise that you begin to fold that top part in the name of trying to cover the top, because it's going to form that bulge that you wouldn't like, and when you're trying to cover your cake you won't love the experience. So that is why you have to cut off the top part. So I'm going to repeat the same process and cut off that at the bottom. Cutting that at the bottom off now. Yeah. Great, so I'm done. So you can see how smooth it is, no bulge or anything else, or any like bulging in the no bulge of any kind. So now I'm going to stretch out some of the cling film for the one side of the dummy at the top. Now you don't want to stretch out so much, just a little. That is enough to cover the top and a little excess out. So now I'm going to stretch this out, and as I stretch this out, I'm also going to make sure that it lays flat against the body of the dummy. Now while you're trying to stretch this out, you might see that it forms some kind of bulge at the tip. So you want to ensure that you trim it off with your scissors, and you can see the way I'm trying to adhere it flat to the body of my styrofoam. If there's any form of excess, I trim off and I keep stretching this the cling film over the body of the styrofoam, so it's a smooth one. So as you can see, it has to be very smooth. That's why so can you see, no bulge, very neat. So you want to repeat the same process for the top of the for the bottom part of the styrofoam. So I'm going to stretch out a little piece now. So I'm ensuring that that there's no bulge on the body of the cake. So I'm stretching out all the excesses so that it's going to be very smooth against the body of the styrofoam. So you can see what I'm doing. So you see, all smoothing up and well covered. My styrofoam is ready to cover with either my fondant or my buttercream. You can see no crease, no I mean you can see the dummy, no bulge of any kind. So I'm going to be showing you now. So as you can see, the polystyrene dummy is well protected. When I'm done with this dummy, the decorative work, all I need to do is to pull up the fondant and my dummy is still intact. So I hope you found this tutorial worth it. Do endeavor to support this channel by clicking the subscription button and notification bell so you don't miss out on the next tutorial to come. And I hope you found this quite educative. Thank you.